Okay, so here as we come into Flamingo Crossings, I'm going to show the area. This is Flamingo Crossings. So I'll go back and forth on the maps. Right to your right are the TownePlace Suites and SpringHill Suites, and then right across is the Target. SpringHill Suites. Right across is Five Guys, Hash House, a Go-Go breakfast place. And then there's nothing right there beside. You have a Home 2 Suites, and then Homewood Suites. And it's right across from. We'll go through there. There is Fairfield Inn. This is all so easy to walk, and then there's the Residence Inn. Okay, there's the TownePlace Suites. There's the SpringHill Suites. There's the Home 2 Suites, Homewood Suites, Fairfield Inn and Suites, and Residence Inn. I've stayed at all of them. Right across from the Flamingo Crossings Town Center. All kind of little shops and a Target in there. I stayed at all these hotels. Come into ddadbudget.com, take a full video tour. They're all not the same. Hotels Lifetime, no fluff, no ads, no sponsors. Right up there's just the red light that just goes around and will turn into the shopping center. You can see the hotels over there. So SpringHill and TownePlace Suites, Home 2 and Homewood Suites, Fairfield, and Residence. It's still not completely filled out yet. Obviously with buildings it's not, but even all the buildings are not rented out yet. So there's the Wendy's, and right beside Wendy's is PDQ, Fit to Run, and Five Below, PETA, Simply Capri. Straight ahead is the TownePlace Suites. Just go up this way, and there is one of the bridges, walking bridges to walk and go across the street to Dunkin' Donuts, Firehouse Subs, a chili restaurant, and a little bit further on the other side is Domino's. So there's the Starbucks and Pieology. There's the Firehouse Subs. So we're just these are cast members. They live across the street for Disney. So 7-Eleven right here on the corner they are building. So these are all really great hotels, and this is a nice little area in the middle. I really like it out here if you have a vehicle. So there is a barbecue place there and a Japanese barbecue place right here on my right. Luxury Nails, Advent Health Primary Care, the White Rabbit Dessert, Lime Fresh Mexican Grill, back to the PETA place, UPS store, Target. It's a smaller Target, it's not a big Target. You see the TownePlace Suites directly across to Walgreens. Here's Flatlands Bar and Grill, it's about to open. In the morning I like just to come out here and walk. You can walk to Starbucks real easily from any of these hotels. I like to walk over here to eat. It's a great place to be, Flamingo Crossings. Come over to ddadbudget.com and see full tours of each one. Not all families won't need the same thing. They look very similar on the outside, but they have different amenities. Hey, bring security for your trip and just come into ddadbudget.com. Thanks. Don't book a wrong hotel. Stop guessing. ddadbudget.com.